So I have returned again for the second time in 2 days. I have only literally just got back from work, and it is a trailer reaction again tonight. Now I can honestly say that I haven't seen the first one of this one. I didn't even know it existed, to be fair. So the trailer I'm going to react to this evening is the Nut Job 2 Nutty by Nature trailer number 1 2017. Now, like I said, I haven't seen the first one. I didn't even know. I honestly can hold my hands up. So I never even knew there was a first one, to be fair. But I'm just going to give this trailer a watch and just, it's a kiddies film, it's going to have some humour, it looks funny. That's basically what I'm going on, so I'm just going to press play. So here we go.
Cannonball! If you'll excuse me, I gotta get back to slacking off. Precious, we talked about this.
It's hard to respect your personal space when you taste like peanut butter. Oh, you lazy and spoiled and fat.
Take it easy, Indy. It's not like the nut shop's gonna explode.
Oh no! The peanut butter was in there!
What are we going to do, Shirley?
I'll find a new place, even better than the nut shop.
It's as pretty as a picture.
It's perfect.
Liberty Park generates zero profit.
I got bigger plans than trees.
An amusement park!
They're gonna destroy the park.
It's a fat guy with a tiny shovel. How much damage can he do? Oh, I get it. Tiny shovel is a symbolic gesture.
We're all gonna die!
This park is worth fighting for. I got this. Let's see you drive now.
Oh, cool.
I'm good. But you guys get the next one. My crazy plans don't work.
They'll follow you anywhere, Surly.
You can do it. It's all you.
No, it's not all me. If we want to stop these guys, it's gonna take everyone.
We're with you, Shirley!
Let's go get them.
Do something crazy.
Come on, move it.
Roll over! I said roll over!
What are you doing? Roll over. I don't know how. I'm not classically trained.
Watch that roll!
How do you like it? How do you like it? The very existence of this game offends me.
We were overrun by animals.
Mangy little rodents.
Go get them, boys.
Remember your training!
You had training?
We just
Yikes. That has got to be a safety violation.
Sorry.
That looks really good. That looks pretty cool, to be fair. I'm not going to deny that. I really need to see the first one now, really. I'd like to know. Didn't recognise any of the voices in there. Well, I did, but I couldn't think about what the names were. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty funny, entertaining. I'd definitely go and give that a watch without a doubt. That looks... Any trailer that puts a smile on my face, basically, I will make an effort to go and watch, basically. And that seriously did put a smile on my face. So, yeah, I know it's a kiddies film, and I know I'm, what, 33, don't really care. But a film like that, yeah, it's cool. It looks good. So, what did you all think of the film? Would you go and see it, or would you not go and see it? And what did you all think of my reaction? If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And as normal, if you disliked it, please give it a thumbs down. Facebook page will be in the description box down below. If you could give that a like and a share, I'd be very, very grateful. I hope you have a great rest of the day, whatever you're doing. Please take care and goodbye.